What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly use and cast a spinning rod. You do not need any experience in this video of spinning rods, casting, fishing. Don't be worried. This is not hard. You think it's hard out. You have to make it perfect timing. It's fine. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it today. So here I just have a medium heavy spinning rod. I got a big Joshy swim bait on, and we're gonna go over what to do first. Right here we have like the actual spinning reel, and you're gonna wanna do the first thing. You're gonna wanna have just about probably 1.5 feet, I'd say, about of line, just about this much. Don't know if you can really tell how much that is, but about 1.5 to 2 feet. So just right here, you're gonna wanna flip the rod, but hold the line. Make sure to hold the line. I usually take my thumb and my pointer finger and just hold it there, flip it, and then take the line and almost like hold it against the rod. Next, you're gonna put the rod up above your head, almost so it's facing straight back behind you. Make sure to not hook anybody. But here's what it's gonna look like. It's not that hard, but let's get on to the next step. Once you have the 1.5 to 2 feet, the bail of the rod, which is pretty much just this thing that you can flip forward and backward, you're gonna flip that, hold the line on the reel, you're gonna let go of the line, and once it's about right here, you don't wanna keep going until it's like right here. It's all gonna make it go straight. Going too high, letting it go too high will make it go straight up. You're gonna probably want to get about right there. Just like right here is where to let go, just about right here. So first, just do it easy, just toss it out a little bit. And as you get better and better, knowing how it works, keep getting farther and farther and farther. Just one thing, this thing, do not put your line against it. You're gonna get caught on it, and you think that'll just hold your line, and when you cast out, it'll just get stuck on there and you'll get tangled. But just manually hold it, hold the line against it, in front of it, not behind this little piece of metal right there. So stay away from that. And if you don't know what that metal piece is for, that's for putting your hook there. You can just put it on the eyelets, which is like one of these. That's just across the poles. You can do it either way. Now I'm gonna be going over how to reel it in. This is probably the simplest part that is a part of fishing. So you have your bail flip, and now you're gonna push it right back over to where it was. And then you're gonna have the handle, you're just gonna reel it in, just casually, just turn it. That's literally it. So the steps are, flip the bail, hold the line. Put the line against your pole, let out, it higher than lower, let it sink a little bit, reel it in. If you have any questions, tell me in the comments and I'll answer them. Now I have a couple bonus things to go over, and one of them is snags. Every fisherman hates snags. No one likes snags at all. So if you're just casting, oh, you get on a snag, you're stuck and you can't, it feels like a fish that's a rock because it's probably a rock or something that your hook got caught onto. So if you get in that situation, there's no definite of it getting out. But if you do, I mean, just try everything. Just try going, just flicking it around, just all over. I mean, you could go to, let's say, over 20 feet and do it over there to try to get the hook unloose. But that's how you get out of a snag. Like I said, there's no guaranteed way to get out of a snag. And then the last thing we're gonna be going over in today's video is this. You probably have no idea what it is. It's the drag set, and if you flip it, if it's getting tighter, that means you're going the right way and it's getting tighter, and it'll let the line go out a lot harder. But if you go the other way and it's getting looser and looser, don't go too much or it will come off, and that's how you get like the inside of the reel. But see, I can just hold it with 2 fingers, it'll pull out at that point. But if I tighten it up all the way, I can't pull it. So that's just the drag. That's what it's called. It's called the drag. And that's just, if you have a big fish, you might want to turn it on a little lighter your line doesn't snap. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out a lot, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.